What's going on, guys? Daniel here, coming to you from Shepparton. Actually, it's 3 hours north of Melbourne and rural Victoria in Australia. Little country town, extremely hot, bit of a drought going on out here. About 45 degrees forecast for tomorrow. That's Celsius, so it's, I don't know, 105, 110 or something Fahrenheit. Quite warm. But the point of this video is not about the weather. Basically, I haven't been very connected with you guys over the last couple of months. Haven't been sending many emails. Haven't really been doing many videos. I've been dealing with my some health issues with my lower back, compressed disc and whatnot. So yeah, I wanted to get out here and let you guys know I'm going to be doing daily videos over the next few days, just sharing what I'm doing, everyday stuff, and also a lot of value, and basically just connecting with you a little bit more. And what I wanted to talk about today was I actually had a call with a mentor of mine, and he put me up with a huge challenge. The challenge was 24 hours to be completely unrealistic. And what that was to raise or find a way to get $12,000 US to invest into my business within the next 24 hours without using any of the initial money that I had. Just being able to go out, be resourceful, and find a way to make that happen. And straight away my mind was like, well, I can't do that. Fuck, how am I going to do that? I've only got 24 hours. I don't know anyone's going to lend me that kind of money, And so my challenge for you is I'm going to try and achieve this challenge. I'm going to do my best to raise this money and put it into my business. So my challenge for you is today, I want you to be completely unrealistic and be resourceful and set yourself an unrealistic goal that you want to achieve that you do not really think is very possible right now, and find a way to make it possible. In 24 hours, I want you to achieve it. So guys, that's it. Super simple. Not going to be a long video here. I want you to comment below if this is on YouTube, or reply to my email. Let me know what your unrealistic goals are and if you achieve them. I want to know, let me know the outcomes of those, and I look forward to speaking to you guys soon. I'll touch base. I'll send you another video tomorrow. All right, guys. Adios.